How to delete Ring app account. Let's get started. Launch your Ring app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the dashboard page. At the top left corner, you're gonna find 3 bars. Click on that. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of Control Center. Once you're on the Control Center page, here you're gonna find different options. Scroll down. Head over to this option. Manage your data. Open it. Now scroll down. If you want to download your personal information, click on Request Data. Then you can click on Delete Data. Now verify your identity. Go ahead and type in the password. Once you are done, click on Continue. Now you will be receiving verification code in your phone number that is linked with your account. Go ahead and type in the verification code and then click on Verify Code. Are you sure you want to delete your personal data and Ring account? Click on Confirm Deletion. And just with that, you have requested for the deletion. Your request to delete your personal data and Ring account may take up to 30 days. So you just have to wait. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily delete Ring app account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.